people. I hear, I forget. I see, I remember. I do, I understand. Madam Toastmaster, fellow friends, and guests. My name is Praveen Kumar Kathamala. I was born on 17th May 1975. And I was born in a CSI Mission Hospital, Karimnagar, in Telangana state. I have two sisters too, the younger one and elder one. And both of the sisters are faculty in teaching nursing courses. As it sounds, the 17th May is a Taurus sign. So I am reliable, patient, practical, devoted, responsible, and committed, and stable. Of course, I have also the weaknesses. Stubborn, possessive, and uncompromising are the characters of mine. Of course, sometimes my negatives also will become added advantage while dealing with the customers. My schooling went on in a convent English medium school in Karimnagar town from 1981 to 1991. After that, from 1991 to 1993, I went to Andhra State, Andhra Pradesh, which is located in East Godavari, APRJC College, wherein I completed my intermediate MPC as my major subjects. After that, I got a seat into, REC Warangal in the state of Telangana for pursuing my BTech in mechanical engineering. Once I completed my BTech engineering, I got an opportunity as a placement, as part of my campus placement. I was placed into a company called Ketan Diprawala Electrical Limited, in which I joined as a quality control engineer as a graduate engineer trainee, wherein I have completed about 1.5 years. Of course, I was reluctant to join there because I had one more dream in my mind that I should get into some public sector undertaking, kind of a company. Okay, so those days, 1999 and 2000, there was also some boom happening, that is about the IT software because of the mainframes and Y2K. So there I had one more idea to get into this kind of a IT. So in pursuit of my IT career, there was I was actually looking for this kind of opportunities. Of course, I don't have a readiness and preparations to jump into the IT career, but then I saw one ad in the newspapers about the Aptech Computer Education and the NIT are conducting some exam for the meritorious students so that they give the free coaching. Yes, I wrote that exam and I stood one among the top 10 and I was offered a free coaching in which I pursued successfully about 6 months. Of course, there I had two choices, whether to leave my company and do this completely full-timer, or don't leave the company but do this as a part-timer. I have chosen the second one, that is be there in the company and pursue your part-time in the Aptech Computer Education. Of course, I learned it successfully. Now, after successfully completing that, I have convinced the placement, the director of the Aptech Computer Education Institute, the same, to give me an opportunity to work as a senior training officer in the same institute. He has happily agreed to give me that offer, and I was offered a senior training officer, wherein, though I did not know the Java CC++, I started teaching the Java CC++, and learned all of this. After completing about 1 year, I was really equipped with this kind of knowledge of software, CC++, Java. And I was really equipped, I was ready, and my preparation was ready for something. So at that point of time, an opportunity knocked at my door. That was Mafwai Management Consultants has picked me up as an associate consultant. So I was picked up and I was sent to, Mafwai has sent me to the Infosys Hyderabad. Where is the time? To the Hyderabad. So there I worked as a software engineer in Hyderabad Infosys. And there also I successfully have completed more than 1.5 years in that. So during that time, of course, I have an enhanced dreams about me. That was about, improve my career in IT. So let's make out some middle level management or some kind of these things. So what happened? I appeared for three, interviews. I appeared for three interviews. Satyam, TCS, and one local company, IT. So what happened was all the three of the companies have offered me so with a good remuneration package. So then I have preferred Satyam to on board. From Satyam, I was happy. I thought it was a very good thing. And what happened was, but my dream has also been enhanced to go to US visit. So before a probable visit to USA, the incident one happened in my life that was a very tragic. That was really remembering one. That really pained me. That has taken me a lot. I met with an accident. In the darkness, there was a sudden power cut. I rammed into a stationary truck which was halfway parked on the road in the night, in the midnight. So I broke my leg, I broke my hand, I broke my teeth, I broke my head. During this process, I was hospitalized for about 2 months. The complete recovery took about more than 6 months, which really, because of this situation, I had to forego the US chance. US chance. Of course, I thought, why to cry over the milk? Why to cry over the spilled milk? Okay, every cloud has a silver lining. That means be optimistic. Difficult days, even the difficult days will lead to, better times. I thought myself, okay. And then after that, I stabilized myself and I was married to a computer science engineering graduate, Miss Rekha. And after that, I have a baby girl, Swarana. Now, Swarana is studying 4th class. She's about 9 years she's studying in Hyderabad Public School. And after that, I was happy. I thought it was a happy ending. But there became one more incident. It's not because of me, it's not my individual incident, but because of the external one. Everybody must be knowing about the Satyam fiasco in January 2009. Satyam Ramalingaraja has put down his papers, confessing that cooking the books. After that, Satyam went into doldrums. And many of the number of projects were going away. After that, what happened? So I was, it became inevitable for me to survive, and it became inevitable to go to Chennai to accept a project in Chennai and complete the Australia Bank project, and came back to Hyderabad from Chennai. So which became a one blessing in disguise. And after that, the moment I came here to Hyderabad, I was offered as a senior project leader, and a project leader in a Swedish company. During the Swedish company, I went to Sweden 2 times. I have successfully completed. Not only that, we have established a good connect with the customer. And I went to Latvia once, 2 times to Sweden, and here I am as a senior project leader. After that, end of the day, I have acquired 3 skills: C++, Java, C++, Unix, Java, JTV technologies, and also middleware technologies, integration technologies on one hand. And also, at the same time, I claim myself as a good who have worked for the global companies like GE, GSK, Tele2, and one more company, the Google. So here I am. So practice what you preach. Thank you, Toastmaster. Thank you, fellow members. And yes, thank you. Stop it. Stop this.